She's trying to give you a kiss.
Don't bite.
Don't bite. Say please no.
Please don't. No, ma'am.
Go get her. Say Briley, come here.
Daddy, come here. Back here. Run now. Back here, mister. Back here.
Tell her, come here, Briley.
Come here. Back here.
Come on.
Back here. Back here.
Whoa, fell down.
Back here.
Sister fell down. What did she do?
Back here.
Braxton, sister fell down. What did she do? She fell down.
There.
What did she do?
Back here.
She fell down. And now she came back here.
Back here. Back here.
She came back here, that's right. Say, sister came back. What'd she do? She came back. What'd she do? Came back. What did she do? Came back. Came back. What did she do? Came back. Say, came back. What is she playing with? What is sister holding? Blocks? Can you look at the blocks? Can you find a green block? Braxton, can you find a green? Oh, look at sister's block. What color is that? Not green. What color is that?
M.
What color? Yeah, it's an M. Good. What color is it? Is it blue? Blue M. What's she getting? Oh, she's trying to get it. She got the handle. What color is that handle? What color is that? Is it yellow? Yellow handle. Oh, are you going to get her? She's going to go push the cart, I think. Or the wagon.
Go.
Go. Don't push her hard. Oh.
Here.
Sister wants to help. She gave you a block to help you clean up. What's the cleanup song? Clean up. What? No, it's okay. Leave it there. Uh-oh. What color is that one?
Yellow.
What? What color is that one in your hand?
Yellow.
Oh, good. What color is that block?
Green.
Green. Good job. What color is that one? What color is it? Oh, is it red?
Red.
Don't throw blocks. Good talking, Braxton. Good talking. Uh-oh, here comes another one. She's just empty them out as fast as you can put them in there, isn't she? Green, blue, green. Can you clap? Braxton, can you show sister how to say patty cake?
Patty cake. Take it. Take it. Now. Take it. Take it. Yes.
Roll.
Woo. Go. Oh, man.
Good job. Okay, look at me. Sit up. Sit up. Sit down. Now sit down. Good. Sit down, crisscross. Sit down, crisscross. Can you make your sad face? Make your sad face. Make your happy face. Make your silly face.
On.
It's on. Make your silly face. We'll watch it in a minute on the computer, but you gotta make your silly face.
I'm a teacher.
Silly face. Silly face.
She says.
What's your silly face? Silly? No hitting. No hitting. Happy face.
Happy.
Sad face. Silly face. Mad face. Hey, mad. Mad face.
Mad.
When you're mad, what do you look like?
Mad face.
Okay, sit back. Happy. Happy. Good job. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.